Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down something super important in JavaScript, that is JavaScript ternary operators. So let me here we will explain a little bit about ternary operator, correct? Correct. Ternary operators. So the ternary operator is just a shortcut for writing an if-else statement like in the previous lecture. You will know about if-else statement. You will find it here. This is here guys, if-else statement. So it is just shortcut of this if-else statement here. Here's ternary operator. It is shortcut of if-else statement. Think of it like making a quick decision in your head. If this is true, choose option A. Otherwise, choose option B. Here. So that exactly what the ternary operator does. It is a simple understanding. Okay, normal if else conditions. Here, I will explain with example. Suppose here, just it is a shortcut of your if else statement. Here, if if age is inside here, text is equal to minor, then here is inside here, text is equal to adult. Okay, we will also define your age. Suppose let is it is equal to it is a 15. Okay, 15-year-old. So tell me here what you will get the result here. This is because here is it is a 14 and it is not a 0. So that's why it is true. It is always true. So here because it is a number. Okay, so it is always true. Then inside it here age, if it is true, then we will execute in this code and ignore this code. Your else block code. Here we will execute. Okay, we will not execute. We will just execute in this code here. Okay, so the same thing here. Here same thing using the ternary operator. You can do that here. Here we will define it variable let text it is equal to here inside it here we will check your condition like is less than 18. Then here this is inside a string you have to put like minus. Then here we will to so this is same code you can write like this. Okay, this same code you will write like this. Here first we will check the conditions. This is your condition, so that's where it is condition. So if this condition it is true, then we will execute in this one in this code. Otherwise, if this is false, then we will execute in this code or not. Okay, so this is a simple difference. See the difference here. The thing here, ternary operator, it is faster, shorter, and cleaner, so that we will prefer your ternary operator, okay, rather than this is your if else statement. But you have to always prefer if else statement even in big project. I am basically in the big project or larger project. We must use your ternary operator, not your if else statement, because it is a ternary operator. It is faster, shorter, and cleaner. Okay, you will see here this statement it is cleaner. Then this is your if else statement. As well, it is shorter. You say it is just one line of code, and you will say like it is fourth, fifth, sixth line of code. Okay, and just you have to count, and this is faster than your if else statement. So that you have to always prepare if else. Okay, basically ternary operator in your project. Okay, then next thing here. Here we have example. Imagine you are ordering food online. If delivery is free, you feel happy. Otherwise, you feel sad. So it is just simple thing. Here suppose let here, not here. I am here. Okay. Now you are ordering food online. If delivery is free for you, you feel happy. Otherwise you feel sad. So we are going to code in these things. Whatever I am telling here. Let delivery fee is equal to 0. Then we will check your mood create mode variables. It is equal to inside parentheses we will first check it here using the ternary operator. Here basically your equal value type comparison operator, which is equal to the 0. Okay, just I am checking your condition. This is your condition. If it is true, then we will execute in this code, otherwise we will execute in this code. So here inside string, here we will write happy. This is happy, otherwise inside the strings you are sad. Okay, this is simple, just here. Okay, here all these line we have coded here. This is whatever I am talking about in this statement as sentence. Now I am going to just code. You will see. Imagine you are ordering food online. Okay, if delivery is free, you say your delivery fee it is 0. Okay, here you see, if delivery is free means what? Delivery charge you it is 0. So you feel happy. Otherwise, here if you have like your delivery charge, suppose $10. Okay, then you feel sad because it is extra charge by the companies. Okay, so you have to, here if delivery fee it is 0, then you are happy. So you can even console it low, and we will check it your mood inside it. This is here. Okay, so this is your mood, and I know what you will get the result. Here we are happy because your delivery fee is 0. So let me try to execute netcodes. Here, comment on this. Okay, guys, let me comment now. Just I want to execute this code. So let's execute here. Here's node, your file name, mind underscore. This is here, mind underscore script underscore 17. And what you will see as the result? Happy. Here it is your result happy because your delivery fee it is 0. Okay. Then here we will just, I think here we have breaking down the syntax. Same thing here, because here this one here first we will check the condition. This is condition here. If it is true, then here you will get in this is your result if true. Otherwise, if this condition is false, you will get in this result it is false. Let me here just want to write the syntax here. Suppose hence here, okay, as a comment. Suppose inside it here, whatever you have conditions, okay, on the basis of a condition, you will get here your result if true, else, okay, result if false. Okay, the thing here if it is a condition true, then you will get it is your result as a result. Otherwise, you will get in this result. You see here, this is your condition here. So this is here your conditions, and this is your result if it is true. If this condition it is true here, then we will get in this is your result. Otherwise, you will get a result if false. Okay, then we have another example. Just we will check here. Is check here membership discount not a member, even or odd, then login status. I think we have too many examples here for you. So here first I'm going to explain this as example first. Here we will check the age. Check here. Suppose let's create in the variables. Let age it is equal to 17 here. Then let here we check the status. Age status it is equal to inside here age it is less than, it is equal to less than 18. And then here right it is a minor, or here right adult. Okay, and then here you write the console log, and then status. This is here status. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, so tell me what you will get in the result here. We will get result minor. So tell me why you will get in the minor, because this is your age. Age it is what? 17. So you have to tell me 17 is less than to 18. Okay, so it is true. 17, it is less than 18 here. Okay, here in place of age, you know what we have 17. So here 17, 17. This 17 is it is less than 18. So that's why this condition will be true. So if it is true, then you will get here result if true. So what we have here, result if true, minor. Okay. So here you can check it here your conditions. Okay, your console.log. Just exclude that file and you see here your result is minor. Got it? So I hope you got in this point your first example. Then we are moving to the next example, membership discount. Okay, so here suppose I'm going to give a discount to a member of my channel. Here let is member, let discount. If it is member, then I will give a 20% discount to that member. Is member. If it is true, then we will give a discount 0.2. It's 0. So then here we will console.log. Here you will get your discount result. Discount. And this is here. Here you will get your discount. So tell me what here what you will get in the result. Here you will get your each member discount. It is a 20%. Okay here. So let me just execute that files and you'll see your result 0.2. Okay. So that is fine. Then we have case 2 for it. Suppose if it is false, and then what you will get in the discount here, it is just 0%. Here suppose it is like false. Here you will like. Okay. Then tell me here what you will get in the result. Because remember it is false. So that's why here we will get in the result. Here result is false, then you will get here in the result it is 0. Just exclude that file and you will see discount it is 0. Okay. Now we have the next example about even or odd numbers. Okay. Let me here I will check with your modulus operator. So if you will get your reminder is equal to 0, then it means what? If it is reminder 0, then it is even. Otherwise it is odd. So let me here just maybe check here. Let num is equal to 11. Then let's type here num modulus operator modulus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the logic. This is here even, otherwise odd. Here you have to know here you see like it is 11. So if you divide here it is 11. Then here you will get here just modulus operator. It will be return the reminder. So here 11 modulus 2 means here you will get some reminder. Okay, like 1. So you have to tell me 1 it is equal to 0. Not means this is false. So if it is false, then you will get a result odd. Okay, here even you can console log. You can verify that here console that log. You have to put in the this is here. Okay, so it is type. Okay, so let me just here you have to execute and that you see a type out. Got it? Now here we will move to the next section. That is you can also implement the logic, how to implement the logic about login status in your project. It is correct. So let here we will check your login status. If here is logged in, it is equal to true. Then let message it is equal to is logged in. Here right, welcome back. Otherwise please log in. So you can also console.log. This is you will get your result. This is here. Let me execute your files and you see a result. Welcome back, because is logged in status it is true. So if it is true, then you will get your result. Welcome back. Now we will move to the next section. Why is it called ternary? Because it works with three things, like first condition, value if it is true, value if false. It is the only operator in JavaScript network with three values. So you see here it is simple, like first it is condition. So this is your condition. Value if true. So this is your value if it is true. Here value if false. Here if it is false, and then you will get this result. Okay, so because it works with three things, it is simple. And then here we will just find a summary for you. Here it is a ternary operator is a mini if else in one line. Okay, it is shortcut of your if else statement in just in one line. Here, it help your code look cleaner. It make quick decision easier. It is perfect for assigning value based on the conditions. Okay. Here we just you can say like syntax you have to remember. Format you should remember forever. Here we will check the condition first. Here we have conditions. Then here we will write a like value if true, or here write value value if value if false. Okay, so this is simple definitions about, and this is here inside parenthesis. Here you have to put, okay, let me cut this is here. I hope you got this point here. No need of this syntax, I think causing issue. Why it is causing issue here? And this is here. I know here you have to assign now inside a variable. Suppose you can let text. Okay, so this is the issue. Again, why it is any values expected. Why it is expected? What? Okay, here is, so it is many. So guys, okay, so this is your simple thing. Just here you have to remember. Let here condition here. Here if condition it is true, value if it is true. Here this is if it is true, and then you will get the result. And this is first one. Otherwise you will get here result second one. Okay, this is simple thing. So here we successfully completed this lecture.